Hey, it's Lisa, and I'm always cooking, and today I'm going to be making spaghetti sauce. This recipe is actually for my nephew, Ethan. He is 18 and he is just figuring out how to cook in the kitchen. So I'm gonna send this one out to EC, and I'm gonna show you how to make stupid easy spaghetti sauce. Technically, it's marinara sauce. Regardless, it's tomato sauce for your pasta, but it is so much better than jarred pasta sauce. And it's so much cheaper too. So let's make spaghetti sauce.
I'm starting with a 28-ounce can of San Marzano tomatoes, but any variety of whole peeled tomatoes will work. 1 small to medium onion diced, and I like garlic, so I'm gonna use 5 cloves of garlic that I'm going to mince up. Ethan, if you're cooking for grandma, just use 1 clove of garlic. 1/4 cup chopped fresh basil, which is about half of this package. In a pinch, you can absolutely substitute the dried versions of both basil and garlic. You'll need 1 teaspoon each. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Over a medium flame, coat the bottom of a pan with olive oil. Add in the onions with a pinch of salt. Cook until the onions have softened and just starting to change color. Now throw in the garlic and cook until fragrant, about 30 seconds. If you're using dried basil, this is the time to add it. Dump in the can of tomatoes and break the tomatoes up with the back of your spoon. Once it starts to bubble, reduce the flame to low, replace the lid only halfway, and let it simmer for 30 minutes. It's great to serve right now with a little bit more texture in the sauce. For a smoother sauce, you can grab a potato masher. I'm going to use my stick blender, but you can also throw it in your food processor. Taste for seasoning. Add salt and pepper if necessary, and don't forget the chopped basil.
You let Ethan know how homemade spaghetti sauce tastes.
Good.
Good, should we make it again? Should we have Ethan make it for you?
Yes.
Ethan, let me know how you like this pasta sauce, spaghetti sauce. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe. I got a beard.